Hello students, feedback is an important concept by which we have understand how can we take the fraction of the output and combine with the input signal. In following way, when we use the feedback, where we have improved the different type of performance of the amplifier like bandwidth, voltage gain, input impedance, output impedance. ET are the few important parameters of an amplifier which you have basically control or improve with the help of feedback. So basically, how can we take the fraction of the output and combined with the input? Basically, there are two ways by which we have introduced the output with the help of feedback element with the input. So when we attach the output with respect to input in same phase, that is called the positive feedback, and we take the output and via some feedback element we have provide with the input or combined with the input opposite phase, then it is called the negative feedback. So basically two feedback topologies are there by which we have explained the thing. In this case we have take the two different positive and negative feedback topologies. Next is our how can we sample or mix the signal with respect to our input source and load. So under that condition it shows that diagram that signal source, mixer network, sampling network, feedback network. So here the sampling means take of the fraction of the output, and via feedback network we have provided with the mixer network with the signal source. So that is basically the concept. Here we use the different type of amplifiers is used in different type of topologies. That depends on the condition of the output or input, means output voltage or current or input in mix with series source or in shunt with respect to source. So that are the two conditions. When we sample the output, that is called the voltage node, and we sample the output in this way, that is called the current sampling process. So next, in the respect to mixing, that is the mixing with respect to input voltage source, that is called the series mixer, and when we mix in shunt mode, that is called the shunt mixing of the amplifier. So according to this, that is the basic feedback diagram where input signal source Xs, where Xi is equal to Xs minus Sf. Xs is signal source and Xf is feedback source. Here A is basic amplifier. After the amplification, we take the output in terms of input A into Xi. Then via the feedback network, generated the feedback network, we have generated the output Xf is equal to beta times of X naught, means fraction of the some fraction of the output which is feedback to the input. So in this process we have taking the gain AF is equal to A upon 1 plus A beta. In case of negative feedback, our gain is reduced with respect to basic gain of the amplifier. But when we take in respect to positive, then AF is equal to A upon 1 minus A beta, where AF is greater than normal gain A with positive in positive feedback. Thank you.